Namaste to all. Welcome to my channel Pearl Yoga 9. Now we are going to practice some exercise for the back pain in sitting and prone position. The first practice is the Marjari Asana, that is the cat posture. You have to stand on your palms and the knees like this. If you have knee pain, you can use a cushion like this. Just keep below your knees. Otherwise, you can use a towel. For the Marjari Asana, keep your palms just below your shoulders at 90 degrees. The distance between the palms, knees and feet, it should be shoulder width distance. So please adjust your position. While inhaling, raise your head up, push down the spine and look up. While exhaling, bring your head down, push up the spine and touch your chin on the chest if you can. Inhaling, head up, spine down, look up. Exhaling, move your head down, push up the spine and touch your chin on the chest. Please continue. Inhale, up, exhale, down, inhale, up, exhale, down, inhale, up, exhale, down. Please do this practice 5 to 10 rounds. Now the next practice is the Shashank Asana, the rabbit pose or baby pose. Here, bring the knees little closer and feet also. You can adjust the position of your palms. If you have severe knee pain or hypertension, please avoid this practice. First inhale, while exhaling, bring your buttock closer to your heels. If you can touch and keep your forehead or chin on the floor. Maintain with normal breathing 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale up. Again, exhale down. Maintain 5 to 10 seconds with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. Inhale. Again, exhale. You have to count mentally if you do alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now relax in Makarasana. Makarasana is a relaxation posture. Here, keep your legs apart, toes pointing outward and heels to be facing each other. Then, keep your palms one over the other like this and place your chin or forehead according to your convenience. Relax for a while. Now we will do simple Bhujang Asana, that is the cobra pose. For this practice, keep your feet apart about 1 feet distance. Toes should be pointing backward. Palms and elbows beside your chest. Chin on the floor. While inhaling, lift your head, neck, chest up. Then push your elbows little forward. Adjust your position. Adjust yourself. Now expand your chest and look up. Breathe normally. Count mentally. Maintain 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While exhaling, Bring your elbows closer to your chest. Again, inhale, up, push your elbows little forward, adjust the position, look up, breathe normally and maintain for a while, 5 to 10 seconds. But if you have neck pain, please look front like this and maintain the posture. Otherwise, you can look up. After 5 or 10 seconds, while exhaling, slowly bring it down. Do this practice 3 to 5 rounds. After that, relax for a while in Makarasana. Again, we will do another variation of this Bhujang Asana. For this, keep your legs together like this, heels should be together, and keep your palms beside your chest, elbows should be pointing upward. While inhaling, lift your head, neck, chest up. Take the support of your both the palms, arch your back and look up. Breathe normally and maintain for 5 to 10 seconds. While exhaling, slowly come back. If you are not comfortable, you can separate your legs if you want. Second round, inhaling, head, neck, chest up. Here, slightly bend the elbows, don't keep straight. Just take the support of your both the palms and look up. 5 to 10 seconds, maintain. While exhaling, slowly come back. You can do this practice 3 to 5 rounds. Again, relax for a while in Makarasana. Now the last practice is the Ardha Salabhasana. For this practice, again, keep the legs together and keep your palms like this. Palms will be facing upward and keep under your thighs. Chin or forehead on the floor. Then while inhaling, lift your one leg up, stretch your toes backward and maintain with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling, bring it down. Do from the other side. Inhale up, raise as much as you can. Don't bend your knee, it should be straight, and stretch your toes backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling down. If you are not comfortable here, you can keep your palms under your chin or forehead. Now same practice. Inhaling, one leg up, knee should be straight and stretch your toes backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling down. Do from the other side. Inhale up, stretch your toes backward. Feel the stretching on your back, on your thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling down. Now relax for a while. Now turn on one side. Take the support of your both the palms, slowly come up and sit. So please all of you do this practice twice a day. If you can, morning and evening, it will be more beneficial for you. So now, see you in the next video. Thank you very much.